Hi guys, a quick after Christmas tour. Again, I start my Christmas early and I take my time putting everything up so that by the time Christmas comes, I'm ready for it to all come down. So my Christmas has been down since the day after Christmas, maybe 2 days after Christmas. I took everything down in one swoop. I wasn't stressed about it. I took it down, cleaned up. Everything's nice and fresh and ready to start over a new decorating season. So I like to keep things pretty neutral, and I can add on as the different holidays and things come and get prepared. But for right now, I like to just keep things calm, neutral, and cozy for winter, especially here in the Carolinas. We have warm weather and winter all in 1 week sometimes, so I just like to keep things neutral. So I did that here. If I had to name my style, I would say that it is modern French country with a little bit of glam, but not overly glam. I just like a little bit of glass and bling here and there just to elevate it. But for the most part, I love a little bit of this boho look, like very casual but clean and nice. I love textures. I keep things neutral, but I like to do different textures and mix my metals. Again, with the living room, with the dining room right off the front entry, it's really important for me. I try to keep this area clear because it unfortunately becomes a catch-all. So I just have out very neutral settings, not even a setting at all. It's just some napkins, some really nice vintage linen napkins. They already naturally have this crinkly look, and then when I washed them, it had a little bit more of a crinkly look. I thought about earning them, but I like the really lazy, nice. Look at this. I don't know if you could tell that it's trimmed in like a khaki color. They're very soft. I love them. It just all goes together really well. My really nice, relaxed, kind of European feel it gives me. Forgive me if you hear Coco barking, but people are coming home from school and everything, and that always makes her, oh, there she is resting. Let's hopefully we get this done while she's napping. So down the long hallway, I have my nice neutral pictures. I love these pictures. I got them from Habitat, $3 each. There's 3 of them over there. I actually looked up the artists, and they're pretty well known. So and here's my couch. As I was telling you during Christmas how I had them separated. You see how it kind of cuts off this back area. And so at Christmas time, when you're having lots of people over, it's good to open it. As we're kind of back in quarantine, back saying, just with our households, we're not having lots of people over right now because of the rise in the virus. This works perfect to suit for a cozy living room space. So I got this couch from a local furniture store. Again, by me living in my little small town, and that's having so much access to furniture, we're pretty much able to go to lots of different places and get furniture the same day or the next day. Of course, if you go to the big box furniture stores, there's still a wait, even though even though the warehouses are in town. But there's so many off-market places here, or little furniture places we can go, pick out furniture, and get it delivered the same day. So that's why we went with this couch, just from a local furniture store. This is our same ottoman that we had with our last set, but I like it. It's big. It's comfortable to lay around on. I still enjoy having those YouTube screensavers on during the day. My husband works. His office is right there. So we'll try to keep it quiet down here for the most part. I do everything upstairs. So I just like to have that little jazz going throughout the day. And I still have my little bar my husband made me all set up. Got my fake fruit out. It's very nice. We're going to get us some Perriers and stock that little area up. But yeah, keep everything nice and neutral. Got all my neutral throw rugs, throw blankets out just to keep it cozy. It snowed here yesterday, but the sun is out today, but it's still chilly, so it's appropriate for a little fire. I have my kitchen table all nice and neutraled up and decorated. Everything looks so nice. This is the cozy room in the house. It's so beautiful during the day. Oh, I love coming in here in the mornings. I got another Home Goods candle right here. All the good candles are on sale. So this is a sandalwood candle. I like tiki wood, like sandalwood, kind of cologne smelling candles. My husband loves pineapple and coconut, which is what that other candle is. So it just gives the house such a fresh vacation, like hotel lobby smell. And he also has coffee going in his office. He has a Keurig in his office, and that smells so good. I love it. It makes the house feel so cozy and smell good. I just have my Hobby Lobby dough bowl out. They were 40% off at the end of the summer. They may have them back out. Here's that little small kitchen that I have a love-hate with. I still have a neutrally decorated up top with my wonderful, what are those called? Not cheese boards. Are they cheese boards or bread boards? I can't remember. Or cutting boards. This is supposed to be my coffee section, but again, I'm waiting on a percolator, so I don't like it to be empty, so I just put out water with fruit. And I keep this little small kitchen neutral. Of course, when you have a small space like this, you're tempted to keep it very clear. You don't want to have as much out as possible so it doesn't feel crowded. But for me, I like it to feel decorated. So I want it to feel cute, even if it's small. I want it to be functionally decorated. So when I say functionally decorated, I mean, obviously you could use that's not a crock pot, your roasting pot. I don't use this roasting pot because it's white. I want to keep it that way. But I do have a red one that I use. But I want to, my salt, my peppers, and I have vintage salt and pepper shakers there. And what I keep my olive oils in, they're pretty, but they're functional. Now that corner over there to me is just wasted space. So I just decorate it up, and I love it. I think greenery really makes it cozy. And then these are just regular old Walmart glass containers, and they don't cost a lot. They're like $5 or $7. I think the biggest one might be 10, and that's not the biggest one. I don't have the biggest one. They have one bigger than that. It might be $10, and it's an easy way. I will show you one of my favorite spots in this kitchen is they have this big cabinet, and I'm able to fit in all of my vintage cookware that I collect. I do have one more set that I'm putting out. I have my vintage Cinderella bowls that I've been collecting for a while, and my mother-in-law's old, this is her crock pot, and I use it for like potpourri and stuff, and my Pyrex. These are Pyrex Cinderella bowls. Pyrex, these are very hard to find, the mushroom print. I just have like boxes inside so that I can, prop them up. They're nesting bowls, but I want to be able to see them, and I actually use them. I have my Corningware up here, and I have another set of Cinderella bowls I'm getting ready to put out right here. Oops, sorry. All of my milk glass. I really love to be organized, and these are the bowls that I actually use in my day-to-day cooking. It makes me really happy. So yes, that's my little small kitchen. And this is my little nice after Christmas decor. Nice and cozy. All right, guys, I look forward to getting back on. Have some exciting videos, fun videos planned for you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.